Hello everyone,
I don't know.
my name is Andrex Saizon and today we're gonna make circles in Minecraft.
We're like friends.
How to make the circles in Minecraft. And I'm Andrex Saizon. And today we're gonna make a circles in Minecraft.
Okay.
Step 1.
So, yun
How
yung
do
ano
you
niya,
do
sabi
this?
sa akin,
Well,
hanggang
number
dyan,
one,
talaga may aangat. Yan. Paano ko
type
naman
this.
ibababa?
Play animation
Again, disactivate mo
animation
lang.
that creeper that swelling.
Yan.
None.
So, ibig sabihin, sa service, yun yung pupunta ko.
99,999 and
Then the rest,
and
yung
parentheses.
dito, mismong,
then
ano mo,
you can get the circles because play animation.
ADAS,
It
ano
is
naman
because
yung tayo sa ADAS? Yung reverse parking
Minecraft
natin,
doesn't
and yung mga
support
sensor tayo.
circles.
If
If it's just like this,
yung front anti-collision, pero may wipe, may
If
anti,
it's just
kumbaga hindi siya
like
kusang
this,
hihinto. Tapos dahil sa sensor, tutunog lang siya. Yan. Ito naman, ma'am, yung pag-link ng telepono mo.
it's still a
Dito sa
square.
system siya. Yan. So, paano? System at Bluetooth on.
You can make it without
Gusto mo siyang
mod.
i-link na?
Minecraft
Hanapin
is
mo lang yung
confused.
BYD. Paano ko
Minecraft confused.
malalaman?
Why?
Name niya is BYD.
In
Pwede
the
mo
latest
siyang palitan,
update,
ma'am, ha? Dito.
Mojang added
Okay.
circuits.
So, BYD, yan. Sige ma'am, i-press mo yan. Then may lalabas yan, i-connect mo
It
lang.
is useful to for creating game.
Na 693522. Okay, connected. Lahat yan ma'am, connect mo lang. Wow.
It is useful
check
for
yung
codes.
Okay.
Goodbye. We will create new videos next time. And bye.